Hi, this is Mike with Extreme Audio. Here's a quick demo of a remote start system that we installed into a 2019 Toyota 4Runner. This particular system features a long-range two-way remote control as well as Dronemobile smartphone control. Pressing the lock button once locks the doors with a two-way confirmation on the remote. Pressing the unlock button unlocks the doors with two beeps on the remote to confirm. Press and hold the start button for 3 seconds to start the truck. You can also shut it back off by pressing and holding the button again. If you're interested in getting a remote start for your 4Runner, check us out at extremeaudio.org or stop by one of the locations listed at the end of the video. Thanks. Extreme Audio has two Richmond, Virginia area locations, one in Mechanicsville just past Lee Davis High School next door to Sheehy Nissan, and the other in Midlothian off Hull Street Road in the building with Steelhorse Harley Davidson.